Hi guys, myself Mrunal Narendra More. I'm learning in the Government Polytechnic College in Civil Branch from Dhule. Guys, you all know that every precious thing, it could be in danger at any time or by any way, though there will be a lot of bodyguards and security around that thing. So exactly like this, there's also one more thing which is very valuable and precious. And that's why it could be in danger at any time or by any way, though there will be a lot of people around it. And that thing is women and girls. Yes, my dear women and girls, we are so precious and so valuable in this society. And that's why we could be in danger at any time or by any way. And that's why we have to try our best to keep ourselves safe, to keep ourselves protected. So for that, every woman and girl should be physically and mentally strong. And in today's speech, I will tell you how can a woman or girl be physically and mentally strong. So let's start. First of all, let's see how can women be mentally strong. You know that mentally means by mind. So your mental strength is depend upon your thinking process. What are you thinking and what is the type of your thinking? So according to my opinion, every girl and woman should be stay positive at every difficult condition. Don't think negative, and if you will think positive at every situation, at every moment, believe me, your body will fill with a different energy which will increase your confidence to face with the situation. You will definitely protect yourself. Second thing is that how can a woman or girl be physically strong? Physically means by body. So for that, every girl and woman should keep their body fit and healthy. They should learn some karate techniques and self-defense tips, and special they have to remind it. Just like someone is physically harassed you in the public place, so don't worry. Just scream with the full power, full energy without any thinking. If someone attack on you from your back, so use your elbow and hit that person without any hesitation. But just do something. Don't surrender yourself before that situation or before that guy. Just do something for your protection. My dear ladies, remind that God have given you already many more knowledge and ideas for your self-protection. So just use it for your protection and fight with that someone guy or with that situation. I know that you are so strong, so be aware and be physically and mentally strong, and show the some factors of this society that you don't need anyone for your protection. You can protect yourself. Thanks for listening my speech. Jai Hind.